Fan Metal Supply Monel Welding wire is a single-phase austenitic alloy that is mainly nickel, containing about 63% nickel, and supplemented by copper, about 25%. The alloy belongs to the deformable nickel-copper nickel-based corrosion-resistant alloy, which not only has excellent physical properties such as high strength, high corrosion resistance, and wear resistance in a wide temperature range, up to 1000 F, but also has good easy-to-form, easy brazing, easy cutting and other properties. Monel is a type of alloy that is typically used for welding wire. It is a nickel-based alloy that is stronger than most other welding wires. Monel welding wire comes in a variety of diameters, lengths, and gauges. They can be used for both shielding and non-shielding applications. We impressed a lot of clients in our market as a position of leading supplier and exporter of Monel welding wires.